Although all four of these take advantage of catalytic heaters, only these two are true catalytic heaters. These are systems that use our catalytic heaters to make it more efficient out in the field, to make sure that application is as protected as possible. The catalytic heater itself uses a well-understood chemical reaction that turns natural gas and oxygen into a lot of infrared heat that's radiated out the front of the heater. Meanwhile, items like our enclosure take catalytic heaters and focus that heat right where it needs to be, right into the body of the valve or regulator, which will be placed about here in an enclosure like this. When that enclosure is nice and closed, that heat will stay inside the box and warm up that valve. Meanwhile, at the instrument gas heater, this right here is the heart of the entire system. A heater just like this is focused into this enclosure, keeping that warmth inside, warming up the heat exchange pipes on the inside of that so that your pilot operated regulator or instrumentation is receiving the most energy that we can get into that system.